Guys, welcome back to my another vlog. Jadi hari ni sempena COVID, jadi kami akan pergi sekitar UM, tapi lokasi pertama is PKP pula, KPS. Kucing tengah kelaparan area tu. Kucing sana basically akan makan from people. Sana kan cafe, so they got food from there. But eventually, cafe is closed, so we're gonna rescuing them. Okay guys, now we are going. Kami akan jalan kaki to KPS sebab sekarang kawasan UM ni, sekitar UM, polis dalam cari mangsa. Mungkin option jalan kaki ni is another the best options. At least adalah bersenam kan. Sebab duduk bilik, like makan, minum, tidur je. Okay all, now we are heading. By the way, mau tunjuk how the persekitaran getting better. Sekarang kan PKP, so our environment is so clean, so free from pollution. You're gonna see, look, the brighter sky, the clear sky. Weh, semalam hujan. Tengok sampai hilang banner tu. Kena tengok angin. Terbang ke sini. Sekarang tengok persekitaran UM yang so lengang, so tak ada kereta. We can say lah, tempat ni like macam zoo for monkeys. Sebab diorang macam beranak pinak di UM ni, and they are like flourish. Tengok rumah fellow. Oh my god, they're playing in the gazebo. Oh ya, memang PKP ni adalah hikmah juga kan. At least macam kita punya environment ni pun getting better lah from the previous condition dengan pollution, everything. And also we got the benefit lah from this PKP. Tengok kita pun like healthy kan, healthier. So my suggestion, my opinion, my honest opinion, kalau yang di rumah, do something bermanfaat rather than reading books, playing computer games. Buatlah senaman kan, bond with your families. Lepas tu macam tu. Guys, you're gonna see this. Look, AAJ. We don't get this kind of scenery in KL like normally and usually. Opinion untuk people, apa untuk korang about PKP?
Salah. PKP ni bagus tu, berapa cari duit lah bagus.
Ni apa dia buat? Dia buat grab food. Sekarang ni dia tengah rest. Sebab
bahaya lah, takut grab dia risiko lah. Risiko dia memang sekarang ni dia ada sampai dua ke tiga.
Polis. Oh my god, Mr. Polis. Jangan lah. Tahu dulu waktu aku doing my foundation. So here is the place where I have my kuliah lecture. People have dia kuliah atas tu. So ni macam bilik, lepas tu surau lelaki perempuan. By the way, kita orang gabung lah dengan budak AAJ yang mau ke Jepun. Surgalur pula. Susur Gajah. UM is part of KL. Half of UM is part of KL. Fun fact about UM is I'm not saying UM's land is divided into two part of region. Macam orang kata UM ni separuh KL, separuh Selangor. So when it comes to cuti, holiday, we are confused with the condition. Sebab cuti ni sepatutnya belongs to Selangor or KL, something like that. How amazing the design of this building. Dekat sini ni fakulti kebudayaan, berada kebudayaan, orang yang study dekat situ. Kalau yang KPS, Kompleks Perdana Siswa, right over there. Tengok, oh so sunyi. Student mall, printing. Tengok, oh my god, so sad. Okay, apa yang buatkan kami like so surprise. Macam kami sampai je dekat kawasan ni, macam air sudah ada, like ada juga macam makanan orang letak for the cats. Jadi we need to find out what's going on. This is gazebo. Meow.
A few moments later.
I think they already migrated lah to another place. Sadly, there is no sign of. Wow, we found one. Oh, they are hiding under macam like a cabin. Meow meow. Look at them. Meow. Okay, kami bawa barang rumah. Ni tengok friskies for them. Ni macam additional macam wet food lah, macam dorang untuk at least they can eat.
Yelah,
Not too dry.
Semua kucing dia tak makan kalau ni saja ni.
Who's coming? This little cutie is coming. Look who is coming. Tengok dia manja tapi kalau kita tengok dia lari. Kita tengah bancu makanan dia.
A few moments later.
Come here, let's eat. Don't be afraid. Macam bagi bait sikit kat dia. Sebab dia ni tak selera.
Kita nak kena buat jadi dua hidang. Dua hidang. Kau minta kan, aku bagi biskut dia tak nak makan.
Tengok kerengga kat belakang aku tu.
Weh.
Inilah our mission accomplished. Tapi belum lagi sebab ada lagi kucing yang dah tahu di mana location, exact location. Baru 2 cats we already finally jumpa. Yang kami finally jumpa. So mencari mission accomplished untuk di KPS. So now we are heading to the DTC. Hey guys, sekarang ni on the way balik college. Tu je lah kucing yang kami jumpa. Itu 2 ekor kucing. Okay, balik petang. Balik.